Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to another vlog, and in today's video guys, we are doing some breakfast preparation and also doing some grocery shopping later in the day. Please consider subscribing, like the video and share to your friends. For breakfast, I'm going to be preparing banana pancake. So I'll need some bananas, a well ripened banana. So for this one, I'm having 2 bananas, and then I'm going to mash them. I'm using a fork to mash them.
To face the facts, the best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes
once the banana is well mashed and I achieve a consistency, I'm going to be adding 2 eggs in the mixture and then mix them so that I can also achieve a consistency of the 2 ingredients. And guys, today I was having an assistant. Steph was here with me. She was assisting me to do the mixture, and we did it very well and we achieved what we needed.
it's you.
My other ingredient today is going to be milk, so I'm going to add a glass of milk and then stir that very well so that you can achieve a consistent mixture. The secret here is mixing and having a consistent mixture. I will then add a vanilla flavor, just to add the flavor, the vanilla-ish flavor.
Me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged.
And then I will add the mother ingredient of this recipe, which is wheat flour. So I'm going to add enough wheat flour for my pancakes and then keep stirring to achieve consistency of the mixture.
Hard to find the reason why you stay by my side.
Ensure that this mixture is not too thick and not too thin. It should be in between thick and thin so that you're able to spread it in your pan and achieve the good pancakes.
I'll stay by your side. It's you and
I needed it a bit thick, so I had to add some wheat flour. And guys, don't always forget to put salt, and for this case I will also add sugar.
you and I break our hearts open in half just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and
I finally achieved the consistency that I wanted with my mixture, and guys, I'm now ready to prepare my pancakes. And Stephanie wouldn't be left behind without stirring this mixture to a consistent. She was enjoying so much doing the thing. So when preparing my pancake, I'm going to be using butter. You can also use cooking oil in cases that maybe you don't have butter, but for me I'm using butter. And then I'll scoop the mixture and pour it in the pan. You can also use the normal pan, but for me I'm using this grill because I want that pattern of the grill on my pancakes.
but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I'm
Also remember to use a medium heat. Do not use a lot of heat when making these pancakes to avoid them being burnt out. If you use a lot of heat, they are going to be burnt, and you need good pancakes.
break our hearts open in half just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and
And Stephanie is still here. She wants to learn every chore that is happening in the house, but I'm enjoying to teach her the chores that she can do, she can be able to do even when she grows up.
I wear out my third second chance. You take it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes.
And now my pancakes are ready. It's time to prepare my tea and also prepare my ndumas. I have some few ndumas that are left over, so I'm going to just deep fry them with oil. So I'm placing some oil on the pan and then place the nduma so that they can have that crunchy feeling when eating them. Actually, these ndumas turned out to be very sweet. You can try this recipe, guys, and thank me later. Once that's done, I'm going to use some toppings on my pancakes, which is honey and banana and some grapes.
We got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say.
And just like that, breakfast is ready, guys. So yummy. It looks so yummy, so sweet. And guys, look at these ndumas. Look at them. They just look so yummy. They were leftovers, but guys, I don't throw away food in my house. They are so yummy for breakfast, and that's our breakfast for the day. And I later went for my grocery shopping. Guys, this is a mini grocery shopping. It's a refill, but I'm telling you, things are super expensive. Hey, things are expensive. I don't know what we're gonna do, guys. It's already at night. I'm now going home. I'm going to be showing you everything that I got, so stay tuned. I'm already home, guys, and I'm here to show you the things that I got today. And guys, things are so expensive. I think I had said that earlier, but hey, mi bado niko kwa mshtuko. What will we do? How will we live in this Kenya? How will we even afford aje kuishi maisha? Things are super expensive. So guys, I got sugar as usual, then salt, sea salt, fresh milk, the bio fresh milk 2 liters. And there is no milk, by the way, so ukipata na maziwa unapita tu nayo. And guys, I also got vinegar. I got some Indomie, the pack of 5. And then the pick and peel, I got only 1 because it's a refill. Milo, the sachet one. This one goes for 10 shilling a sachet. So I got like 12 a dozen, that's 120 because mi sitanunua mkebe ya Milo. Then Blue Band. Then I got Kericho Gold, Green Tea, Passion and Jasmine. I was introduced to this tea by Lux, where I got my nails done. And guys, this tea is super sweet. Na smell je, it smells super nice.
It's hard to find.
Then Colgate. And then this foil. Actually, I usually buy this big foil and it serves me better. For measurements, it's 30 centimeters by 60 meters. It goes around 1500. And then now I'm trying this new paper towel, kitchen paper towels. These are super cheap, guys, and I'm going to try them out and I'll get back here to let you know how they are. And then as always, I got my tissue, which is Faye. I got 2, and Faye serviettes also. Actually, I love the Faye brand. They are soft and nice. I got my air freshener, the Airwick. This is the lemon. my bathing soap, Geisha. I also got my washing powder. I got Ariel this time. Ariel with Downy. This is 3.5 kgs. Actually, people usually say that Ariel usually fades clothes. Is this true? If it's true, please comment below and let me know. I also got Downy, and of late I've been mixing Downy and Star Soft, and they work very nicely. They are perfect. The smell is just super good. And guys, that's the shopping for the day, and imagine that is more than 10,000. Imagine that is more than 10,000. What is this now? This is more than 10,000. Tutaishi aje hii Kenya sasa? But anyway, let's tuachie tu Mungu penye tutaangukia. And guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and until the next video, peace.